Hi, I'm Isa, also known as Glitter Girl, founder of Temple of Poi. Nice to meet you. So I started the school because because this is how I was taught how to do the weave. I kid you not, this is pretty much verbatim. Well, you just, and then all you do is this. There's absolutely no instruction in that. And I was completely frustrated by it. And I was like, well, I could teach better than that, because I had been a computer instructor prior to when I started the school. So and this is why I started the school. Also, if you ever on a video hear me make the joke about all you do is, that's what I'm referencing, is that horrible non-instruction where, well, all you do is. Right, and all you do is. Right, well, once you know what it is, it's really easy. In general, my experience as an educator is when people say all you do is, what they are really saying is, I have a bunch of unconscious competence I haven't learned how to distinguish linguistically, so here, just do this. Monkey see, monkey do. The thing is, not everybody is a monkey see, monkey do kind of person, and some people actually need instruction, which is where I come in.